But can you withstand them curveballs and those happenings and bring yourself back to your habituals?
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The habitual effect. In the mundanity and chaos of the world, there are things we must do to keep in sync, in balance, and in a certain type of flow. The flow state. The flow state. The flow state. This leads to some deliberate exercises that we must partake in to manipulate our minds. Our minds are black holes, and whatever comes into our minds tends to suck that information up. Whether for us or against us, our subconscious mind remembers all. Doesn't matter how small or grand the something is, our subconscious mind is just you, your spirit picking up on all the dialogue from this human experience. This leads us to rituals and routines and the habitualness. Habitualness is the female dog, tapping into that divine feminine energy and being a dog about it. This is where the routines take place, spiritual routines. These spiritual routines consist of meditations, visualization techniques, chaotic affirmations, dream preparations, and much, much, much more. All these different spiritual exercises or spiritual routines should be attacked with the dog in you. This is what sets your vibration or sets up your spiritual channels. For example, one habitual exercise I do is I get up and meditate every day at the same time every day. And meditate every day at the same time every day. And meditate every day at the same time every day. My morning meditation is a key cog in me receiving communication from my higher self and the spirit world. But I'm not looking for action-reaction. I just know I have to align my mind in order to stay in my flow state.
Message!
So I'm not necessarily looking for an outcome to manifest after. I realize this isn't about a microwave effect, instant gratification, instant realization. All these spiritual exercises about compounding a repetitiously habitual practice that makes an impact over time.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
The subtle changes in your frequency or vibration is enormous in your holistic understanding as a chaos being and as a human down here on this earthly realm. Habitually meditating yourself to sleep is an art form and practice that must be accomplished with passion and care. Do you enjoy watching The Matrix with these two eyes more than you enjoy watching the real world with your first eye? I get it. We're human in nature. We came down here to have a human experience, and life is happening all the time. But can you withstand them curveballs and those happenings and bring yourself back to your habituals? This is the true work and the real power when you're able to manipulate your energies by getting back in alignment with those habituals. Write these habituals out. Experiment and see the difference in your habituals when you're consistent with these habituals and you're not. actually notice a change in your manifestation or your flow state when you're in your consistent practice. This is energy, this is power, and the power is the key for you to be sitting on top of the world. Dream wise.